Now, all this stuff wasn't that fascinating, but let's summarize, okay? What did we just say? We said audit risk equals, and we'll do it right here. Audit risk equals IR times CR times DR. In solving for DR, audit risk over IRCR equals DR. We also said if reliance is low, this goes up. We want our acceptable level low. We better do more substantive testing. We said that we're concerned with DR because DR relates to both test of details risk and analytical procedures risk, the risk that you, the auditor, do not detect the problem while you're doing test of details of accounts, transactions, and balances, or analytical procedures, which is, again, ratio analysis. I haven't defined these for you yet. We're going to talk about them in detail in a few minutes. Those are called the audit procedures, the actual substantive tests. This is the detail. So while you're doing your inquiry, confirmations, observations, recalculations, and so on, you don't detect the problem. Or analytical procedures, we talked about in the planning phase, as a substantive test, as a review phase. That's study of data comparisons, relationships like inventory turnover, receivable turnover ratios, gross profit percentages, and so on. That's analyzing the numbers themselves. You don't detect the problem. That's what your analytical procedures or your AP risk actually talks about as well. So we're looking at both the different levels. That's what we're heading into. Now, why do we care about this? Because management assertions ties to the objectives, ties to the audit procedures. Here's how it all ties together. We're going to go out and pick up these statements. Whose statements are these? Management. What are the assertions they're making? Those are these things. Out of the assertions grows our objective. Out of the objective grows the actual audit procedures or substantive tests. These are the tests we're going to do, test of details and analytical procedures. These are the tests to meet our objective, which you'll see in a minute. What is our objective? To corroborate or substantiate all of these assertions that management is making in the form of financial statements.